Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So this is a perfect time to try out my little microphone. I have not yet put in the microphone, and I am talking with my normal voice, and because there is water, you can see. There is water sound, and there is car passing by, the car sound, and no microphone. I put my little microphone in. You can take a look. And now I will do exactly the same thing with microphone on. How about that? And now I am using the front camera. Now I will turn to the real main camera, okay? Okay, now I am turning on the real camera. Still, I have my little microphone with me. Oh, another car passing by. Perfect. And I just realized if I put this in the front, immediately the camera is smart enough to figure out what is the center of attraction, right? Okay, now I will put the microphone on. Okay. See, it is blue. Did you see it is blue? I will use much less effort to talk. And now let's take a look how it works. I put on my little microphone, and I know because I have a very low voice, so I put it close to my mouth. And in this case, I do need the windshield. Otherwise, it's just too too choppy sound. Now let's take a walk in the trees. Take it out. Look out. So we are walking along the creek, and I will not go too deep. It's almost evening time, and you have just heard the passing sound of the car. And here is a little bit explanation of why I choose this one. It is so simple, so small, so light. It is very easy for me to travel around. This is not the top quality sound, but it's sufficient for me. And I usually, this is the mountain road. A lot of people have fun here. Some motorcycle with see, they are actually very far away, and they really have a lot of power, a lot of engine power. So I just want to, from time to time, to do some walking. Still, I have my microphone on. So from time to time, I want to do some walk. And while I walk, I want to do some talking. And a lot of friends like this walk and talk. And I myself, from time to time, like to do this walk and talk because nature is inspiring. Sometimes I just get very inspired and have an urge to talk, and that is perfect. Oh, we are passing this big downfall of water, so I think this should be pretty good for this kind of walk and talk. And this phone does not, this microphone, this mic does not have a voice reduction function, or it does not have a button for voice reduction. I have chosen this one. It's because there is no voice reduction. A lot of time when we use voice reduction, it actually gets our sound very choppy, because even this machine, this microphone, is intelligent, and its intelligence is not yet reaching to the level to distinguish human sound and noise sound, right? Because the main mechanism of noise cancellation, noise detection, is depending on the level of wave, the sound wave. When you have strong vibration, it has a bigger wave, right? When you have a strong human sound, then they pick up you because your voice is close. But sometimes you are a little bit further away, or even you are close by. If there is a big water sound, there is a huge car engine sound, they are anyway. See, here is water. They are anyway more powerful than your own sound wave. So it actually take your sound as secondary and take the main high wave, high pitch sound as the main sound, right? Okay, it's hard for me to explain, and I will do just up to this degree. And I really, really impressed by this place. I don't think I have been here. And today, evening time, I asked my son, which direction should I go? He said, go to Stephen Creek, go to Foothill Expressway and go all the way. So I drove all the way, and then I kept on driving, and came to this paradisic place. I am so happy, so happy. This looks very much like the painting of a half a dam. Oh my. Remember in Stanford University, in the Cantor Museum, there was one painting called Half a Dam. Is that from here? I should go to the Stanford Museum, Cantor Museum, to Stanford University Cantor Museum to see it again. Let's try to walk in. Okay, I will stop here because the sound is really too strong for me. Okay, so this is the same place, and I am talking without microphone, and I put my microphone inside my little pocket. So here is the microphone. I am not using it, and this one is the camera sound by itself, the camera mic. What do you think? You can make a comparison, right? Okay, this is the comparison, and I didn't have my microphone right now. I'm just to talk like this, and it's quite dark now, but the camera, I think it can work with lower light, and I have not yet turned on any special effect because it's so new. I do not know how to control the light and how to set up the low light, high light. It's just naturally the iPhone by itself picking up the light. Maybe I should put a little bit color on my lips. Give me 1 short minute. Okay, let's do some. A little bit better, right? Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Goodbye. Bye, 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 bye. So silly.